On the theme deck homepage, you want to go ahead and hit install, download, save, hit the keep, and show more, keep anyways, open file. We want to go through the installer, hit install, finish, and we can go ahead and run it from our desktop. Now, I'm going to demo as a guest here, but you can go ahead and log in as with your Google account if you want. But this is uploading like a local MP4 video, giving it a name, some tag, and going ahead to save it. We added this video that we just uploaded to our queue, and we can see it come to life on our wallpaper. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing with another MP4 file, give it some more tag. We're going to go ahead and save it, queue it, and now we can see it's running on our other display. I just went ahead and queued two themes real quick, played it, and then adjusted the height. Looks like I'm going to go ahead and change the duration as well, so now we're looking at 12 seconds. Also modify different things like going in full screen, so you saw a YouTube video right there, you can actually go full screen in YouTube, pop out in edit mode, toggle the full screen, mess around with whatever you want to. Shuffle, you can go next, pause and play, repeat, go to a different position, and change your volume. Now we went ahead and opened the display drawer and closed the wallpaper. By filtering for themes with water inside of the title or tag, we can go ahead and queue all of them and create a playlist. And we're going to call it water for all our water-based themes. By adding different themes to our queue, we see that an unsaved playlist is created. We're gonna call it Everything Blue and go ahead and take out every theme that's not blue. And we're gonna go ahead and save that. If we go ahead and run that, we can see that we have all the themes that are blue. I categorized them by color, but feel free to categorize however you want. I prefer to do dates like 2025 summer trip. Right here we're adding some tags, making sure we can search for it. So we added the blue tag, the water tag, and you can actually go ahead and search by theme and playlist. Of course, you can go to different displays and control them all inside the display and playlist center. Right here, we're going to go ahead and queue a playlist onto our other display. And you can control the volume, and you can select between all your displays inside of there. You can skip, play, pause, whatever you like. And that wraps up the demo of Theme Deck version 1.